this video, you will learn about what are long and short positions, why they are called debt, and when to use them.
Going long and going short are just another way of saying buying or selling something. You can buy a currency just as you can buy a stock in the hopes that when you sell it, you're going to be selling it at a higher price for a profit. So buy low, sell high. Going short is selling. So sell high, buy low. You can actually go into the market and sell somebody euros in the hopes that the price is going to fall and you're going to buy it back at a profitable level, because you're not actually buying or selling anything. It's more of just a transaction done on paper. As soon as you buy the currency back, your position is offset and you have no trades on. So going long is buying currencies, going short is selling currencies.